centuries we dust learned the language of pressure and flame. Old iron listened again to the deep, and somewhere inside the bones of the silence, a pulse began cutting the sleep. Stone does not speak unless fire is awake. Time does not move unless something will break. Rise now, ancient fire in the wire, through the marrow of rust and the veil of the years. What was buried in silence becomes the horizon. What was sleeping remembers the gears. From the ash of forgotten design, a cathedral of thunder appears. I heard it first in the tension of strings, a tremor beneath every note I could hold. Not anger, not memory, something much older than the shape of the stories we told. It moved like a river beneath the foundations of cities that thought they were stone. And every old circuit that once carried lightning awakened and called it their own. Dreams of the furnace return through the wire. Silence collapses in corridors of fire. Rise now, ancient fire in the wire, through the marrow of rust and the veil of the years. What was buried in silence becomes the horizon. What was sleeping remembers the gears. From the ash of forgotten design, a cathedral of thunder appears. There are engines that wait in the bones of the world. There are songs sealed in chambers of ore. There are hands that must open the ancient machines when the hour refuses no more. And the spark that survived in the marrow of night is the key that unlocks every door. Rise now, ancient fire in the wire, let the sleeping architect breathe. Every echo becomes a creator of storms. Every silence becomes what we